Your mind is not tired. It is overcrowded. Most people don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because their mind is never quiet enough to hear the right decision. This is not a story about success. It's a story about what happens when you finally stop carrying everything. Daniel was known as the smart one. Good grades, big dreams, always thinking. But inside his head, noise, regret from yesterday, fear about tomorrow, pressure to become something before time ran out. Every morning he woke up tired, not from lack of sleep but from mental weight. He didn't rest at night. He only shut his eyes. Daniel noticed something strange. The people who were calmer moved faster in life. They made decisions without panic. They spoke less but acted more. Meanwhile, his mind argued with itself every single hour. What if this fails? What if I choose wrong? What if I waste my life? One evening, overwhelmed, he sat alone on a bench, staring at nothing. That's when an old man sat beside him. No greeting, no advice, just silence. After several minutes, the old man spoke. "You look exhausted." Daniel laughed. "I don't even do much." The man nodded. "That's the problem. Your mind does everything, so your life does nothing." Daniel frowned. The man picked up a cup, filled it with water, and kept pouring. Water spilled everywhere. "Your mind is like this cup," the man said. "No space left. So nothing new can enter." That night, Daniel did something different. He stopped planning, stopped worrying, stopped replaying conversations. He just sat, breathing, letting thoughts pass without chasing them. For the first time in years, silence. Not answers, not clarity, but space. And in that space, his real thoughts finally showed up. The next day, he made one small decision he had avoided for months. Then another. Life didn't become easy, but it became lighter. You don't need more motivation. You need less noise. An empty mind is not weak. It is ready. If your life feels stuck, maybe it's not your effort that's missing. Maybe it's space.